Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? I'm gonna rock your lobster. This is an early 1900s framed, beautiful picture of lobster and some oysters I see in there. Anyways, just a really nice picture that's framed. You might have a restaurant or just like lobsters in general. If so, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.